We just got this in the mail.
What is that? I don't remember ordering that. That box looks really small. Is that a vacuum?
It's supposed to be cordless.
Cordless. And that box is, how heavy is that?
Oh, it's not bad. Maybe 5 pounds.
Wow. Let me open this up. So we just got this. I think it's pronounced Aposen. Post in the comments below if I'm wrong. Hey, also we also are doing HelloFresh. So be sure to subscribe. Check out some of our HelloFresh meals. What do we got here? We got model H250. We got this sent in the mail today to check out to review. You know, we have reviews on Dyson's Cordless. We also have the Shark vacuum videos. But I had never heard of this brand before. Our friends said that they've heard of this brand. And it's actually getting kind of popular. What do we got here? We got some instructions. As always, our Amazon Associates link is in the description below. Let's check out these parts. That is metal. That is a nice heavy-duty metal part right there. Oh, the charger. We need to get this charged up to test this. And don't worry. We are about to put this vacuum through a torture test. Right, Miko? We're going to torture test this. Yeah. We're going to find out how this vacuum does on dog hair. So keep watching. So I guess the 250 means the 250 watts of power that it has. Oh, these are nice. I like these little attachments. Kind of looks like kind of small. Oh, these are always nice. This is one of my favorite attachments. And it looks like the battery pack. Oh, some other specs is has a brushless motor. Oh, it's 8 kPa. What the heck is kPa? Let's check this sucker out. Oh, it feels good. Oh, it looks like the battery goes right there. Remove the battery here. I think this battery should just snap right in. Took some force. Has a HEPA filter. Let's go ahead and get this charged up first of all. Are we going to read instructions? Probably not. It's a vacuum. It's a small little charger right there. So let's see, we're just going to stick this in here. We're going to charge this up. Post in the comments below what kind of torture test do you like to see on new vacuums. Obviously for us, the dog hair challenge. We're not going to vacuum for a day, so there'll be lots of dog hair. What else is in the box? Oh, the floor cleaner. Okay. How does that spin? Maybe there's something on the sides here that spins it. Yeah, because this gets power down through here, so it looks like it does spin. Well, in case you didn't get instructions on yours, here it is. As if we actually need instructions. I don't think you actually need instructions for this. But that's what it looks like. This little thing's pretty cool. Look at that. Stretches out pretty good. When you line this up, make sure you have the power here hooked up this way. That went together pretty good. For these kind of vacuums, one thing we'd like to see is it stand up by itself. Nope. No. Whoa. No. This is what I hate, is that it does not stand up all by itself. So that's kind of a bummer. Because when you're working and you want to go and stop and do something, you want to like go, whoa, it fell. I mean, our Dyson doesn't stand up all by itself either. Okay, if you're careful, this one here, I don't need to be careful. We just set the Dyson down. There's not much wobble. This one, it's totally gonna fall. Here's the my Dyson attachment. Let's see if it fits. It fits, but it's really loose. Gonna lose a lot of suction around here. It would work in a pinch, but it's not a good seal. Like this attachment that comes with it is a great seal. Which we're gonna do the steps with this. Although for storage, check that out. Look how nice that comes. That goes down. That makes it pretty nice for storage. Also, it's 2 or 3 inches shorter than the Dyson, which that might work good for Leanne, but for me, I like the extra length of the Dyson. So this is try the height, Leanne. How does that feel to you with the height? It's adjustable.
Oh, it fits.
Height.
Feels good for me.
Because also, push down a little bit. You can adjust height, and that's something that you can't do with the Dyson.
No, you can't do that.
Can you? Maybe you can.
No, you can't.
Leanne says you can't.
No, just one long stick, and that's it.
So
It's nice to adjust like
nice.
this.
I think you like that red color too. That color is pretty nice.
Yes.
The battery's over here charging. We're just gonna wait till that's done, and then we're gonna try it out. Right, Nikki?
There's Miko.
Miko, we're gonna need some hair to try this out. Go slow. How'd that go?
Not very good.
Not very good, okay. Obviously, this roller sucked. All right. And not in a good way. Now let's try it without the roller, Leanne. Definitely worked better without the roller brush. This time we're going to try rice with the roller. You ready, Leanne?
Okay.
Let's roll. That's part of the. It's part of the filter. It is nice. You pull the trigger, and then you can let go of the trigger, and then you touch it again, it turns off.
Hi, it really works good with this nozzle.
We got some Legos, Leon. Let's pick them up.
This one's a little difficult.
Keep going. Any fall back out?
They're all in there.
How about some wet popcorn kernels, Leon? Wet.
All right, I'm gonna start now.
Do it. Did you get them all? Let's see the cage.
Right there with the Legos.
Nice. Doesn't work backwards either.
I think people like to like dancing with ice. I mean, put it out. I can't. Or if it goes backwards.
Doesn't.
It's sucked it backwards. Whoa.
On carpet. It's an Aposen.
Hey, Granny, remove that and use it on the ground. Can I press it on the back on there?
Right here, there's a streak.
No, it made lines. That's handy dandy for some people. So you twist that off?
What did you just do? Did you just break it?
No, it pops off.
What?
So it pops off.
Oh my God, Rachel.
Yeah! We needed a mom of 3.
But Rachel gets credit for figuring out how to remove the bottom.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
You're welcome.
I would like it. That's excited. You should do one side with the low and then one side with the high.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Okay, here's 5. We'll go backwards on this one. You said it didn't pop up backwards.
Up, you missed some.
You're right, it doesn't stuff that vacuum.
Nope.
Hey, we need more power. Is it on high? Well, I gotta wrap this video up. I think we did a lot of good and real testing with this little vacuum cleaner here. So what's our final thoughts? So the price is between $100 and $120 on Amazon. Link is below. It's actually turned out better than I thought. We kind of compared this to our $400 or $500 Dyson. But is that fair? This is only like $100. You would expect the Dyson to be 4 or 5 times better than this if it's 4 or 5 times the cost, maybe. But if you're looking for a quick portable $100 one, you could go out and do your car, truck, basement, removable battery. You know, our Dyson, we had to replace the battery. You got to take it apart. I got a video on that too. And that's a plus. There's a lot of little pluses. Some minuses are the brush head's not as good as the Dyson's, and it's not as powerful as the Dyson, but it's a lot cheaper. Don't forget, it's adjustable. Maybe you could get your kids to do some vacuuming. I don't know. Do we recommend this for the price? Yes, we're going to recommend this. Again, the link is below. Thanks for watching. Post comments below. What are some stuff we should have tried? I mean, we did pennies, popcorn, thumbtacks, Legos. I was just trying to think of stuff to do. So that's what was included in this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Appreciate everyone. And peace.